Sometimes, when you get so caught up in your own expectations and beliefs, you don't see the bigger picture. मोठं चित्र दिसतच नाही. I was one of those people, and it cost me precious time. जेव्हा राणी आमच्या जीवनात आली, as Jayu's choice as his life partner, I wasn't pleased. She came from a more modern, more liberal family, and I had my doubt whether she would fit in with our traditional family. I also disapproved of her method of doing things, especially when she suggested organizing charity events to raise money for Jayu's kidney transplant. हे आमच्या कुटुंबाच्या तत्वाच्या विरुद्ध होतं. And this I would not approve. But as time went by, I could see what I was blind to. Rani's unwavering love and devotion for Jayu. She was like a breath of fresh air in his life. Her love was the most meaningful part in his life. She made him happier than others. Her modernity, her drive, her way of doing things, her adapting to situations weren't flaws. They complemented Jayu's life. आणि हे मला आधी कळलंच नाही. I wish I had realized sooner that love transcends traditions. It was Rani's love that was Jayu's lifeline. It was Rani's love that gave him strength. It was her love that made his life longer, more than I had hoped for. It takes humility to admit you're wrong. And I was wrong about Rani. मी तिच्याबद्दल पूर्ण चुकले. तिने दिलेल्या प्रेमासाठी मी तिची सदैव ऋणी राहील. तिने मला शिकवलं that love has no boundaries. Traditions don't make family. It is the love that you give each other. It is the joy that you bring in each other's family. And she brought joy to our family. And for that, I will always be grateful to her. And for that, I will always cherish her as my daughter.